Did you know that 78% of homeowners planning renovations in 2025 are prioritizing sustainability, from energy-efficient windows to solar panels? The future of home remodeling isn't just about style. It's about smarter, greener, and more functional living spaces. Let's dive into the top trends shaping the way we renovate our homes this year. Staying updated on the latest home renovation trends is crucial for homeowners who want to create a space that's not only beautiful but also functional and modern. Whether you're looking to sell your property or simply want to upgrade your living space, knowing what's hot and what's not can make all the difference. When it comes to modernizing our spaces, one of the biggest challenges we face is budget constraints. Let's face it, renovating can be expensive, and knowing where to allocate our resources is hard. Do we splurge on that sleek new kitchen or save up for a fancy smart home system? Another challenge is outdated styles. Getting stuck in a design rut and not knowing how to transition to something more contemporary is easy. Additionally, many of us struggle with finding inspiration for our renovations. With so many options out there, it's hard to decide on a single direction. And before you know it, you're stuck in a never-ending cycle of Pinterest boards and design magazines. And finally, there's the issue of sustainability. With growing concerns about the environment, choosing eco-friendly materials and designs is becoming increasingly important. Despite these challenges, many homeowners are pushing forward with their renovation plans, and it's an exciting time for home design. With new technologies and innovative materials emerging all the time, the possibilities are endless. So, what's hot in 2025? Let's take a look at some of the top trends that are taking the design world by storm. First up, sustainable materials are going mainstream. From recycled glass countertops to bamboo flooring, eco-friendly options are becoming more affordable and accessible than ever before. Next, smart home technology is getting smarter. With advancements in AI and automation, our homes are becoming more intelligent and responsive to our needs. Another trend we're loving is the resurgence of open-concept spaces. Gone are the days of cramped, compartmentalized living. Today, it's all about fluidity and flow. And finally, mixed metals are making a comeback, adding a touch of glamour and sophistication to any room. Whether you're going for industrial chic or luxurious sophistication, metallic accents can elevate your design to the next level. One trend that's caught our eye is the rise of modular design. Imagine being able to customize your space with interchangeable modules that can be easily swapped out as your needs change. It's like Legos for adults. According to PSE Consulting Engineers, modular builds have significant advantages over traditional on-site buildings without sacrificing quality. Modular homes tend to be more affordable than traditional homes, and they can take as little as half the time to build and assemble. Design for Me emphasizes the cost-effectiveness and efficiency of modular extensions. Modular and prefab extensions are often more cost-effective compared to traditional extensions because of the benefits of economies of scale, reduced labor, and minimized material waste. These insights from industry experts underscore the rising popularity of modular design as a sustainable, efficient, and aesthetically appealing solution in modern construction and renovation projects. In conclusion, the top home renovation trends for 2025 are all about embracing innovation, sustainability, and flexibility. Whether you're looking to upgrade your kitchen or revamp your entire space, these trends will inspire and delight you. Thanks for watching, and don't forget to share your favorite home renovation trends in the comments below. If you're looking for more home renovation tips and inspiration, check out our other videos. And don't forget to subscribe for more content.